Hello friends. Have you ever thought, will AI take our jobs? Maybe you saw a robot making coffee, or a computer writing a poem, and you thought, wait, this machine is doing my work. Today, we will talk about this topic in a very simple way. We'll see what AI is, how it is changing jobs, and most important, what you should do about it. So watch this video till the end. It can help you plan your future. Let's compare machines and humans. AI is very fast. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't need sleep. And it can do the same task again and again, perfectly. But humans have something special too. We are creative. We understand emotions. We know how to talk, listen, and care. And we can do new and different things. So, if a job is very simple and repeated, like typing data or answering the same question again and again, AI can do that easily. But jobs that need feelings, creativity, or deep thinking, humans are still better at those. Let's first understand, what is AI? AI means artificial intelligence. This is a type of technology that helps machines think like humans. AI can learn things, make decisions, and do tasks, just like people. Examples? Face unlock on your phone. YouTube recommends your favorite videos. Chatbots reply to your questions online. All of these are using AI. But now comes the big question. Is AI a danger to human jobs? Now let's look at the jobs that are more safe or less risky. 1. Teachers. They teach with emotions and care. 2. Doctors. AI can help, but only humans understand pain. 3. Therapists and counselors. Emotions are hard for machines. 4. Creative jobs, like artists, filmmakers, writers. 5. Leaders. People who create new ideas and manage teams. If your job needs human connection, creativity, or problem solving, you are more safe. AI will not replace these jobs easily. Now let's talk about the jobs that AI can replace. Here are some examples. 1. Data entry jobs. AI can type and calculate faster. 2. Call center agents. Chatbots are already answering many calls. 3. Cashiers. Machines can take payments at shops now. 4. Drivers. Self-driving cars are being tested. 5. Basic news writers. AI can write simple news reports. So yes, some jobs are at risk. But don't worry, not all jobs will go away. The future will have new types of jobs too. So friends, AI can be a danger or an opportunity. It depends on how we use it. If we keep learning and growing, AI will not take our job. It will help us do our job better. But if we stop learning, we might get left behind. What do you think? Is AI a problem, or is it a chance to grow? Tell me in the comments. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.